Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. It's ETT first year book of Hindi medium, and its name is Childhood and Development of Children. Uh, and it's as per the new syllabus pattern of Vinod Publications. It's a bestseller book, as you can see. So let's review it. It's of Jammu and Kashmir. It's a Jammu and Kashmir book, J.K. Bose book. So let's review it. First of all, contents are given like unit wise. Unit 1, Introduction to Development, Concept and Introduction to Perspectives in Development, Humanistic Psychology and Developmental Theory. Then the second part is given, Enduring Themes in the Study of Development, Development as Multidimensional Plural, and so on. So after that, subtopics of the unit 1 are given, as you can see. And then unit 2 started from growth and maturation, growth and fine motor, then role of parents and teachers in providing opportunities, as you can see. Check now. And page numbers are also mentioned in front of the contents. Not only that, the contents are in both the contents are mentioned in both the languages, in Hindi and English both, so that any reader who find it comfortable in any kind of language will read it. Then we come to unit 3, which started from personality development, Freud, psychosocial development. Then we can go to unit 4. Unit 3 ended in development in emotions. Then unit 4, childhood as a modern construct, childhood in context of poverty. Then commonalities and diversities within the notion of childhood, as you can clearly see. Then unit 5, conceptual of socialization, family and adult childhood relationships, parenting pyramid, child rearing practices, and then separation from parents, then peer influences, then relationship with peers, socialization, and then 5 units ended. Now we can check the syllabus also and match it with the contents also, like syllabus, introduction to development, concept, enduring themes, gathering data. You can check in unit 1, introduction to development, and then enduring theme, and then gathering data. Everything is completely there. Now you can also check the syllabus at any other further unit at large. For example, syllabus is completely mentioned in both English and uh, in both English and Hindi, to make it comfortable. So regarding this book, you can also check that whether the page number of contents are actually accurate or not. For example, whether in 64 page number, whether I'll get this topic or not. Like preschool children, page number 64, it's an example. uh, uh, like page 64, see, preschool children. We can check another page also from, suppose, unit 4. Suppose page number 134, diversities within the notion of childhood. Let's check whether it's there or not. Page number 134, and see, diversity with the notion of childhood, page number 134 is completely there. So this book is a very good book, and the topics are also mentioned in both the languages, in English and Hindi, to make it comfortable for any kind of reader to read it. Topics highlighted in also both languages, and the wordings are also very easy. Very good book, and also the everything is highlighted in both the languages, and each topic cover everything in detail. Contents cover everything of the syllabus. Language is very easy of the book. So this book is only for rupees 249.50 rupees. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or you can directly go to their email at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com, and they'll definitely mail them, and they will definitely deliver the book to your address. Or you can also go to the Facebook, Twitter and YouTube, uh, and check out other books. You can buy it online on Flipkart, Amazon, or you can buy it offline also from any available bookstores nearby your location. So it's a book by the most trusted publishing firm of India, of Vinod Publication. I think it's a highly recommendable book from my side. You must buy it. Thank you.